Hello guys, welcome to RLVP Creations. Today I started the course is full stack development. In this channel, you can get the entire course of full stack Java development. And in this course, full stack development is containing three basic concepts. According to these categories of concepts, it's subdivided on concepts. And first one is front end, second one is backend, and third one is database. And according to the front end, it is where the users can interact with the applications. It front end is provides the web pages to the users, and also front end is technologies that is used for designing and develop the web pages. In this front end technologies, like we are using the HTML5, that means hypertext markup language, and cascading style sheets, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, and Angular and React. In this channel, we will learn the React. And from second one is the backend. It is the backbone of the if any project or any real world applications. It is the applications where the all business rules are implemented. In these backend technologies, we will choose any technologies like Java, Python, .NET, and etc. In this Java backend development can be is done with the core Java. Why we are taking as the Java means um, I'm taking the course. I will explain the course Java full stack development. That's why I choose the backend development is the Java. And in this concepts, we can learn the entire core Java and advanced topic like JDBC, Java database connectivity, and servlet and JSP. And also we will learn the Spring and Spring Boot, Hibernate, and microservices. In this concept, the core Java is having the OOPS concept and collection framework, the basic entire core Java, which is constructions. So um, with coding also, and advanced Java, the Java will work the database, how the database connectivity will be existed through Java. And according to the servlet, is mainly servlets is using for the connecting with the internet to display our required data from the customers, and Spring Boot to develop the Spring Boot projects, and Hibernate on microservices. And the backend development is a database. It is the place where the data is stored and permanently. The backend applications will connect to the database to store the retrieve and update, and we will perform the CRUD operations also. And in this database, so we can learn the services like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. We will learn the Oracle. We can develop the main stack projects also. Is it not the case? Let's dive deep into the core Java. In that core Java, the first we want to learn the basics. Without knowing the basics, we did not write any simple programming also. First one, we will start the core Java. And according to the core Java, Java is an object-oriented programming language. The first name of the Java is Work. And in 1995, this Work was renamed to Java. The father of Java is James Gosling. And Java is entered into the market. The slogan is called Write Once, Run Anywhere. It's It is a Vora concept. That means if we will write in any operating system, it will be executed in any programming in any operating systems while we are using the JVM. JVM is independent and Java is a platform independent. JVM is platform dependent. It means you can compile the program in one operating system and you can run the program in any operating systems. As a Java software is replaced the maintained by Oracle. And according to the Java editions refers to the different platforms of Java, each designed for the specific purpose like desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications. According to the Java Standard Edition, is a platform standard edition. That means we can develop any standardized applications. And Java JEE, it is also called as J2EE in previous. It is also known as called Java Platform Enterprise Edition to develop the web and enterprise applications through using JEE. And JME, that means micro editions, which is developed for mobile applications development. And according to the Java Standard Edition, it is a foundation of Java. It is used to develop the desktop applications, as earlier I said that. And EE is used for web applications and enterprise applications. And Java ME means is a micro edition. It is applicable applications in feature phones, IoT devices. In this course, in Java Full Stack Developer has learned the Java Standard Edition and Java Enterprise Editions to develop the real-world websites. And according to the Java Standard Edition provides a core libraries, OOPS features, collections, multi-threading, and etc. And according to the Enterprise Editions, it will be provide Servlet, JSP, JPA, EJB, JMS web services. Now, Java Enterprise Edition is renamed as Jakarta EESM. And Java 23 version is managed by the Eclipse Foundations. Let's start the basic questions and answers for this agenda of course. What is the different types of software applications for users? First one is desktop applications, which was developed by Java Standard Editions, and web and enterprise applications will be developed while using Java Enterprise Editions, and mobile applications was used for developing while using Java Micro Editions. Next, what is the desktop applications? According to the desktop application, it is also a software applications you need to download from the internet, then install your phone and computer and then use. For example, Windows Media Player and the Scikit-learn calculator and antivirus. That means if one computer does not access it for another computer with internet, does not access it by the user. Those are calculators and MS Word. These are desktop applications. According to the web and enterprise applications, it is a large scale of software applications website to connect from the browser without downloading or installing your computer. It can be browse. We can browse with the indication of their names. We can get the data through internet, which is known as web enterprise applications. Example, Amazon website, Facebook website, and anything. First of all, we want to entering into the core Java. We want to know the basic three concepts. One is JDK, second one is GRE, and JVM. According to the JDK, it is a Java development kit, and GRE means Java runtime environment. And finally, JVM is a Java virtual machine. To write the Java program, then compile the program, and then run the program, we need to install Java software in our computer. The name of the Java software is JDK. JDK contains its development tools with Java runtime environment. That means JDK, JRE, JVM are internally dependent. According to the development tools or like computers, that means compilers, profiler, and debugger, and packaging tools, JRE is only responsible for executing the Java program but not responsible for the compiling the program. In, in this Java development kit, we will use to develop any web applications, any enterprise applications we will develop while using JDK. In JDK, internally dependent on the development tools as well GRE. And according to the GRE, Java runtime environment, to run our program, we want to having some libraries, which is the libraries is having the predefined libraries with JVM. And according to the JVM is a Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machines will convert bytecode to mission code. That means JVM is dependent, platform dependent. It is the architecture in this JDK is containing development tools and JRE. In this inside the JRE, it's having the predefined libraries and JVM. In this JVM will convert from bytecode to mission code. And another questions are arising from bytecode in Java. And according to the bytecode, the Java program is developed by the programmer is called source code. Its source code will convert it to bytecode, which will be generated. Java program is compiled. After compilation, it will be generate the bytecode. In this bytecode, we can use the JVM to convert concerned mission code. Why I am using the concerned mission code means it will be different from OS to OS. Suppose if you want to run the program on Windows, then the bytecode is converted to mission code for Windows. If I want to run the Linux, the same bytecode will be converted from mission code of Linux. Because of this bytecode only, Java is called platform independent programming language.